curfew, closed borders, police checkpoints, work permits, drone surveillance, chopper patrols, 23-hour confinement, 1-hour exercise, mandatory medical procedures, banned travel, food rationing, closed churches, denied sunshine, school closures, masks allocated, shopping times, government access to homes without a warrant, no wedding celebrations, no gatherings, decimated economy, limited attendees at funerals, business closures, no family visits, movement banned beyond 5-kilometer range, military patrols, government removal of children, indefinite restrictions, censorship across all social media, mass suicides, bankruptcies, 1 million unemployed, massive increase in domestic violence, and more. I'm going to use blunt language. What the fuck is going on in Australia? That is called treason, people. Treason. Look the word up.